Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to reset your Android phone, any Android phone to factory settings, especially when you are in this situation where your phone is frozen or stuck in the start logo, or you forgot the lock screen pin number or password. So I have two different brands here. I have a Samsung phone and an Oppo phone. So it's gonna be the same procedure. It's two different phones, two different brands, but the procedure is the same. Because you don't have access to your phone settings to reset your phone, we're gonna use the buttons on the side. So it's gonna be power, the power button, volume down, and volume up. The same thing with the Oppo phone and the same thing with any Android phone. So this is a Samsung phone. So to start, so just hold down the power button and the volume up button. Keep on holding the two buttons until your phone restarts. Once your phone restarts, switch your finger to the volume down button while you're still holding the power button. Do not release the power button at any moment. So let's go. Power and volume up at the same time. Keep on holding. Once your phone restarts, switch your finger to volume down. Keep on holding the two buttons until you get this reset menu. This is the reset menu. Now use the volume down button and scroll down to wipe data factory reset. This will erase any data saved in your device except your Google account. And press the power button to confirm. Scroll down again with the volume down. Press the power button. My phone is now reset, as you can see here in the menu. You will get prompted to this menu again. Now press Reboot System now to restart your device. Use again the power button to confirm. Reboot System now, and just wait for your phone to reboot. So it's gonna be the same thing with the Oppo phone or any other phone like Xiaomi phones, Samsung phones, Oppo phones, OnePlus, Sony phones, and so on. So with the Oppo phone, it's the same thing. The power button, volume up, then volume down. So just keep on holding the two buttons at the same time. Keep on holding until your phone restarts, then switch your finger to volume down while you're still holding the power button. Keep on holding until you get the reset menu, then let go. Keep on holding. Keep on holding. Perfect. So I just got the reset menu on my Oppo phone. Sometimes you will see only Chinese or another language. If you don't see English, it's gonna be at the bottom. It's this one, the third option. So we just press English and press format data. You will see a code on your phone screen. You just enter that code. For you it's gonna be different, and then press format. Wipe in. Please wait, do not perform any other operations. Data formatted. Okay, perfect. And your phone is gonna restart. You just wait. So that's how it works. That's how to reset an Android phone to factory settings when it's frozen or when you forgot your lock screen password and so on. Please subscribe if it's the first time you're watching my videos. See you in the next one.